going to other DJ shows and stuff. Like, you can bring your friends and everyone kind of intermixes and creates this whole network. KZSC is a not-for-profit, student-run radio station. You are making friends with people who are like, you guys are all working towards this thing that you hopefully like love and care about, and everyone's working there for the collective goal of making it better. So my freshman year, I looked up UC Santa Cruz radio station and called the first number, which was the air room, and then I asked if I could volunteer, and they're like, oh yeah, totally. The volunteering that then turns into community building is great, because then when we go and table or we go and we host these events, that is so that people can just like meet and get to know each other and have fun. The whole thing is that you volunteer your first quarter for a certain amount of hours, then you get an application to take our class and you apply, we let you into the class, and then after that, if you pass the class, you're a staff member and you can have your own show here.
Different people have a lot of different shows. We have talk shows, like news, and then some people will like interview different people every week. We've had professors interviewed. There's a lot of variety in the shows that we do. Everyone could find something that they would want to do a show about.
You can be on a committee and like be a part of something like the Tiny Couch concert, which is a play on the Tiny Desk NPR concert that we do.
I think it's like my favorite part of the job that I've done this year. And I think we've definitely become more involved in the local scene, which is all I wanted.
So I think the most important thing about learning about KZSC prior to joining is that it's a really good place to find community and friends. Going to other DJ shows and stuff, like, you can bring your friends and everyone kind of intermixes and creates this whole network.
It's like a thing that you can't really have again later in life, because it's specifically college non-commercial radio that makes it so special.